We are pleased to show you 2021
Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.